Well, we're going to try our luck at a second box of 2024 Topps Heritage. If you watched the previous video, we literally got a Tiger. We're looking for 1975 Topps in 3D, gold foil, and Zoo-Hoos. Oh, sneaky pack. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking the videos, and here we go. Let's see if we can pull something. Nickname wouldn't be bad. And we do get 3 chrome blue sparkles. And it looks like the first pack already contains one. Jose Ramirez. Not a bad one. He's actually doing pretty well this year. Of course, same division as my White Sox. Won't hold them against them. Pete Crow Armstrong. There it is. There's a Zoo-Hoo. Behind that one, we got a backwards card. So, Jose Ramirez. And let's get this one. From the Nationals, Josiah Gray. Not sure why that one was backwards in the pack. Green on green, maybe a color variation. Not too sure, but I'll check that one out. Carry on. There are a lot of variations in this set. Nicknames, no signatures, colors. I've opened the one box already. Wasn't too bad. The 3 blue sparkles were pretty decent. Those were all found out and sold on my eBay. GROCRT. Check that out. Anything that is pulled. And if you do have any interest, just reach out. CJ. Been collecting him. Let's see. Maybe switch these up a little bit. Alright. Not the best pack, but still got a ways to go. Still got 2 more chrome blue sparkles at the least. And we're digging for more. Kill me with these White Sox players. But we are set in history. History still goes down in history. It's in the books. 17 wins this year. Who saw that coming this year? Except for the Cubs fans. Another Julio. Adding to Pop's BC. Alright, we got our second blue sparkle in this pack. Oh, don't want to give that away. I don't know. Maybe I'm backwards, and normally that means something, but we're gonna find out. Well, they reached a milestone. It's 400th homer. Not sure exactly what that means. If that's a insert or a short print. And Blue Sparkle Cubs, arch nemesis. Armstrong? It is. I'll get that one sleeved up. Alright, 7 packs. And we're still digging. Alright, last Blue Sparkle is in this pack. And from the Dodgers, Freddie Freeman. Great ball player. And nothing great. Scherzer. Alright. 5 packs. With this one, Corbin. Haven't pulled one of him yet, so we'll sleeve him up. We got a white border. And a Henry Davis. Just listed some of his Prism draft picks the other day. 2021. You can find those on eBay right now. One insert in his base. False alarm again. But we'll keep searching. 3 packs left. 2 after this. All right, getting down to the nitty gritty here. Definitely get a lot of rookies in this box. I like the retro look of them. Ooh, De La Cruz rookie. I have not pulled any of him yet. That was the first one. And the last 2 in that pack. Stanton. And Blackman. Alright. Well, De La Cruz might have made the box. But we still have 1 pack left. So we top that. Want to know what your guys' best pull out of these are. Got an Ohtani. Well, there it is. Definitely the best pull of the day, De La Cruz. And yeah, if you guys are interested, I do have a PSA video coming up soon. got my first submission. I should have back tomorrow. If not, I will be posting it, so keep your eyes out and open. Have a good weekend. Enjoy.